Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong love reading, new love reading para ito sa lahat ng fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Na looking for new love. Na naghahanap ng panibagong person that will give them the romantic experience and love. Matagal nang inaasam-asam sa kanilang buhay. Okay? So, kung currently you're in a relationship and happy kayo and going strong, you may leave this video behind or panoorin niyo yung mga past videos ko dito sa channel. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Alright. Okay, so bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck that will be the overall energy of your reading. Tapos, let's see the details using the two tarot decks sa left. So, I'll get the fourth card. April ngayon. So, what's the overall energy for the fire signs? Golden path to your reality. Okay. So, look for the benefits in the impossible. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito, some of you are parang losing hope kung darating ba talaga yung right person sa buhay ninyo. Kung darating pa yung love or love life na inaasam-asam nyo matagal na. Pero huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa dahil dito, there's something golden coming into your life. Okay, and sabi dito, look for the benefits in the impossible. May mga bagay na at the moment, wala pa siya, pero hindi siya imposibleng mangyari. Diba? Pero at the moment, na tingin nyo parang imposible nang dumating yung tao na inaasam-asam ninyo, yung love life na nilulook forward ninyo or pinapangarap ninyo. Okay, tingnan nyo yung journey. Baka may mga hindi kayo napapansin, pero yun yung mga experiences na hinahanda kayo for the perfect person para sa inyo. What I mean is, nobody's perfect, diba? But the right person sa right time, diba? So, kala nyo kasi, ay, posible nang dumating siya. Pero, posible siya. May mga kailangan lang din kayong matutunan. Like, yun, pagiging pessimistic. Kailangan nyo mag-shift to someone na optimistic. Diba? And to see na may mga bagay kayong natututunan dun sa mga oras na kala nyo wala na, imposible na mangyari or wala nang pag-asa. Parang ganun. So, along the way, sa journey ninyo, once na nakita din ni universe na ay, ready na siya. Ito, finally, pwede ko nang ipakilala sa kanya yung taong totoong magmamahal sa kanya. Okay? So, sige, tingnan natin yung detalye ng overall energy na ito. At habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. It's growing and please continue to support para mas mag-grow pa siya at makagawa pa ako ng sangkatutak na love reading para sa inyo. Please support my channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment naman sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading na to. And sa mga bago, please subscribe to Mystico Moreno. And yeah, this will be your safe space din, the community na would guide you. But again, all readings here must be taken with discernment. Okay. Guide lamang ito, meron pa rin kayong sariling will to do and na tulungan ang sarili ninyo at mangyari ang mga inaasam-asam nyo sa life. Okay? Huwag kayong maging too dependent sa mga tarot and oracle readings. Guidance lamang siya. Okay? Always use discernment and your freedom, your will to do what must be done. Okay, so bunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck, tapos clarify natin siya further with the other deck. So, 4th card pa rin, Knight of Coins. The Hierophant. Strength card. Judgment. Ooh. The Chariot. Okay. Six of Cups. Three of Swords. And the Magician. Bottom of the deck, 9 of Coins. Okay. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Taurus, a Leo, a Scorpio, a Cancer, and a Gemini and Virgo. Okay, so ito yung pwedeng signs ng person ninyo, new love coming, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to, pero check their moon, Venus, and rising placements. Baka yun din yung mga signs nila sa placement na yun. Okay, so the new love coming, and you can see here, your person is someone na very responsible, consistent, and lagi niyang ina-express yung love, okay, towards the person na attracted siya. So, this new person coming into your life, okay, na meron siyang magaling siya when it comes to commitment. Okay? Di ba, consistent nga siya. So, committed siya. Pag nakilala mo tong person na to, siya yung person na mapapansin mo kung gaano siya ka-dedicated sa'yo. Kung gaano siya ka-committed. Una na makilala ka at una na makarelasyon ka. Okay? And with the strength card then, it really shows the confidence dun sa person ninyo. Confident siya in a way na ang nakikita ko dito, yung person ninyo is very secure. I mean, wala siyang inhibitions, wala siyang insecurities. And with this person will come strong talaga pagdating sa sa relationship. Pag nakilala mo siya, siya yung alam mong papanindigan yung mga sinasabi niya, gagawin yung mga pinangako niya. Okay? So, and with the judgment card, itong person na to is rooted kasi siya sa, ano mo yun, may mga experiences din siya in the past na ang gusto niya mangyari din is to redeem himself or herself from his or her mistakes in the past din. Hindi siya perfect person, pero ginawa niya yung dapat niyang gawin to be a better person. Gets? May mga tao kasi na self, parang self-aware, and dahil doon sa awareness na yon, they chose na magbago or to work on themselves para sa susunod na relationship nila. Hindi na sila papalya or wala na magiging or hindi na maulit yung mga issues or mga challenges na na-encounter nila in their past relationships. And itong person na to, may ganun siyang energy, okay, towards you. And paparating na siya. Okay? Oh, wait. So, yung energy niya kasi is coming towards you on a faster rate. Alam mo yun? Medyo kung before, may parang feeling nyo, ang tagal naman dumating. Pero yung energy niya is coming towards you very soon. And, ito, with the Six of Cups, this is someone from your past. Okay, someone is coming from the past. Someone who realized na marami siyang pagkakamali in the past. And darating siya sa life mo as a better person dahil may mga realization siya, and dahil naging self-aware nga siya at binago niya yung mga bad traits or toxic traits niya. And now, itong person na to has this energy of being committed, consistent. Siguro yon yung consistency, yung commitment na and yung pagiging responsible na energy niya coming towards you, ayun yung mga realizations niya, and yun yung mga hindi niya nagawa nung nakaraan. Okay? Nung nakaraan. Na kala mo rin imposible na magbago siya. That's why here now I see the reason kung bakit ito yung golden path to your reality. Look for the benefits in the impossible. So, ayun, yung mga, di ba, nangyari between the two of you. May mga, siguro, in the recent past then, may mga na-experience siya that made him or her realize yung mga mali na kala mo rin imposible nang magbago tong person na to, pero this person did dahil mahal ka nitong tao na to. At ayan, with the Six of Cups, it's a card of nostalgia or past coming back. So may mga memories na nagbalik, and with the realizations na ito yung mga pagkakamali niya. And now Strength card is also a card of resilience or overcoming hardships, na may mga hardships din siyang pinagdaanan in the past to na nakatulong din sa kanya to improve on himself and be the best or better version of himself or herself coming back towards you. So there's parang ito yung version 2.0 nung or even 3.0 ng person ninyo from the past. So kung dati ganito siya, pinili niya magbago at babalik siya sa iyo stronger and better. And yeah, nakita ko dito na parang with the Three of Swords din, nasaktan ka talaga. And itong new person na to is aware siya sa mga heartaches or na mga pain na emotional pain na binigay niya sa'yo. Okay? But being the magician, with the magician energy, you are very resilient. And with the magician energy, you have this minamanifest mo rin na maging okay ang lahat. So I can see here then na part of you is surprised that this person is coming, pero alam mo rin sa sarili mo na you're manifesting na maging okay ang lahat between the two of you, and now it's materializing. And the magician din, itong person na darating, has this willpower din talaga to come back to you. So siya naman yung mag-initiate, siya yung gagawa. Hindi naman kayo naghihintayin kasi this person is really coming towards you with the will, power, and the desire to come back to your sa buhay mo. And the energy you don't see coming is the Nine of Coins, which is a card of security and a card of freedom from all those freedom from the past. Okay, so kung ano man yung mga nakaraan na nangyari, that's already in the past. And yeah, I think this person is really going to make an effort para bumalik siya sa buhay mo or tanggapin mo siya ulit sa buhay mo. Sige. Let's clarify some cards. Okay. Saka yun, yung judgment card, gusto niyang i-redeem talaga yung sarili niya. Okay, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto ko lang i-remind lahat that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay. Yeah. So let's clarify yung strength card. See? The Hierophant lang din. Dinoble confirm lang niya that yung commitment. Feeling ko in the recent past, yun yung naging main issue niyo, yung commitment niya sa relationship. Hindi siya committed, parang I think nga, isa pa sa nasagap kong energy, maybe this may resonate sa iba sa inyo na parang dati in the past, gusto lang niya ng open relationship or ayaw niya ng label, di ba? Kasi pag naglagay ng label sa relationship, talagang full committed ka dapat, di ba? Pero ito, in the past, takot siya sa commitment. Pero now, he or she is coming stronger and wanted to redeem himself or herself, lalo na sa pagiging committed sa'yo at sa relationship ninyo kung i-allow mo siya na bumalik sa buhay mo. And with the Six of Cups and the Chariot, see, the Lovers, mahal ka niya, and talagang this person is someone you also loved from the past, and this person still loves you, coming towards you very fast. And check natin itong Three of Swords and the Magician. Yeah. So, Seven of Swords is yun nga, yung nangyari in the past kasi with the Seven of Swords, as I showed you na alam naman niya na nasaktan ka niya and may mga manipulations siyang nagawa. And for some of you, pwedeng itong person na to is ng cheat debt. Kasi nga, pwedeng hindi siya talaga like official cheating. May ganun ba? What I mean is, kasi diba, in relation to the sinabi ko kanina na pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is into open relationship. So, meron talaga siyang ibang partners or kung hindi man siya nag-commit sa inyo, yun, ayaw niya mag-commit kasi gusto niya ng may ibang options. Parang ganun. Pero, this person has realized na mali yun and now, he or she is coming back towards you better and stronger. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, Mismo. Kita hits. Ingat.